You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. So there's a couple of events here at the Garden Center that I think are going to up your game. And the next few garden classes are just really good through August. I just have to mention them. And it ends with, I think the last one in August, I got to look at this, Gardening for Newbies. So if you're new to the area, this is where you want to be. We'll make sure you make less mistakes. Let me just bump over here. So this week's garden class is, where are we at? Designing Poolside Paradise with patio tropicals. And so this is palm trees. It's dracaenas. You can bring them indoors, or you can put them in the pool house, or just let them go. But some plants are messy. You don't want those. They just clog up the skimmers. And these are the cleaner ones. And so, but next week, August 1st, every Saturday at 9:30, fast growing trees for quick landscapes. If your landscape's a little just weak, thin, you need more, we will have all, you will be an expert. And if you got new trees in the yard, we can show you how to juice them, how to get them go faster, how to really get them to grow. This now for the next 2 months, plants grow fast because it's warm. The soil is warm. They're moist. There's some rain. This is the best growing season, the fastest growing season of the year. We got to cover bugs because bugs are starting to show up. So August 8th, bug-free blooms for stunning gardens. We'll have some examples. We'll show you. We'll just take all the mystery out of it. So students will learn the best practices. And we'll probably go into javelina, pack rats, rabbits, tomato worms, grasshoppers. We'll cover all that in one class. It's kind of technical, but boy, you will not be worried about seeing a bug in your yard again. You'll know what to do. Hot weather blooms for vibrant Prescott color. So if you want better summer, just low maintenance color, August 15th, that's Saturday at 9:30. So we'll go over all the crepe myrtles, the hibiscus, the echinaceas, all those summer. In fact, the summer phlox just came in. So some exciting new summer varieties. And then for newbies to Garden Pro in Arizona. It's from newbies to Garden Pros. That's August 22nd. I thought that was the last one. It's not. So the 29th, what is there? 5 weekends, 5 Saturdays in August. Let's see. August 29 is the best plants for pollinators. So that one's going to be super good as well. So take a look at all of those. And then throughout the week, you don't have to wait for a class. If you see a bug and you want to know what it is, put it in a baggie. If you got spots, the only thing we ask is, could you put it in a Ziploc baggie or a jar or something clear? Because some of these things they spread really fast. We don't want mildew getting all over our own plants because you bring it from your garden to us. But if you put it in a Ziploc baggie, we can easily put it under the microscope. We can see through the bag right down to that bug or right down to the spore, whatever it is. And we could blow it up 1,000 times and go, yeah, that's a problem. That is a mealybug. We need to control that. And here's what to do. Or no, that color's really off. I think if we just fertilized, that'd be enough. Here, use this. So we're actually pharmacists, half garden pharmacist, half bug analysis, half here's designer, how to put plants together. Of course, the fun part is that's actually all fun. I love coming to work every day. I've been doing this for over 30 years. I still love going to work. I'm excited about Monday or the next day. It's fun to talk to gardeners. They're not stressed. This is a highlight for them. This is like a relaxing thing for them. And it's a relaxing thing to work here. So anyway, throughout the week, Lisa and I camp out here at Waters Garden Center. Come visit.
Plant summer shade with the best trees.
We've collected 700 mountain hardy trees for summer-long shade, privacy, and wind protection.
We guarantee you will fall in love with a backyard that is cool again.
Summer rains make this the ideal season to plant new trees for summer-long shade.
And Waters Garden Center can help.
Waters Garden Center, 1815 Iron Springs Road in Prescott. For a more fruitful garden, increase success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.